I was sent this LED floor lamp and I'm about to set it up and unbox everything. So I just decided I would do it on camera so you can see what comes with it and how simple it is to set it up, and then the result of it set up.
Oh.
In just a minute. Okay, here it is all assembled. You can see the whole length. It is very tall, and the light is actually dimmable, which is super nice. So there is a little knob down here, and all you have to do is just turn it, and you can see it dims it down, and then it gets a lot brighter. It gets pretty bright and also very dim, which is super nice if you want to adjust the lighting in the room. But overall, really high quality. It was super easy to assemble, and I am really impressed with it.